These flying dragon videos are blowing up on Instagram right now. This page has gained about 15,000 followers with just 30 posts, and his videos are getting millions of views. So in this video, I will show you exactly how to make them by yourself. Here is the one I had created in just 2 minutes. First, open ChatGPT. Here, go to Explore GPTs and search for Flying Dragon Video Generator. Once you start the generator, it will provide us 10 different video ideas. For example, I am going with eighth one. Then GPT will provide us an image prompt and a video prompt. Copy the image prompt. Now open Magicore AI. The link is in the description. Here, choose AI Image Generator. Paste the prompt here. Choose aspect ratio 9:16. Choose image model NanoBanana 2 and hit generate. And here is how mine came out. A dragon scales the sand dunes and it looks nice and perfect. Now click video. Here, make sure the model is selected as Sedence 2.0. Copy the video prompt from GPT. Now paste it here. Choose video duration to 10 seconds and hit generate. And it's that simple. Here are some other videos I had made using the same method. So that's the full workflow. All the links are provided in the description. And make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next niche.